Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Today we're working on a water heater. It ignites, continues to ignite, and then shuts off. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and show you what it does. Water heater on there. We'll wait a second here for it to send the signal to open the gas valve and ignite. And then you'll hear it continue to click. On trying to ignite itself and then shuts off. So on this actual water heater, the problem is the circuit board. So we'll go ahead and shut it off. We got our new circuit board in our hand here, part number 520814. The circuit board is installed in the back. Usually it's on the wall, it's not on top of the water heater like that. I just have it here for easy access for me. We'll go ahead and unplug the igniter. Then we'll unplug it in the back. Put that down where you can grab it. We'll take our new board here, which is the same, looks a little different, but it's the same manufacturer. This one's made by Suburban. So we'll go ahead and put it in here. Oh, just lost our wiring. So sometimes it's easier to hire a technician to do this because it can be tough to get in here. I can't hold the camera and hook it up, so we're gonna try to little angle. Doing this in real time, guys, no editing. Plugged our igniter back in. We get the new board on, it's installed. So, as long as I'm right, I'm gonna turn this on, come back out here. Should fix our problem. Give it a second to turn on. Have it. So one thing I would recommend doing is while you're doing this, you can go ahead and replace the igniter too. I have a new igniter for it, but I always replace the part first that I think is wrong. And in this case, it was the board. So, but it's a good idea to replace the igniter when you replace the board, in my opinion. So I'll post links below and down in the description for you guys in case you need these parts and are having this problem. It's a pretty simple DIY job. You just want to make sure you cut off all the power to the water heater and make sure it's not hot when you're operating on it, because there is hot water and you can get burned pretty bad. Turn the propane off, stuff like that. Until next time, thanks for watching. Safe travels out there. Be sure to give the video a like if it helped you, and ask any questions if you need to, and we'll be happy to answer them.